Hello, my name is Chinedu Wabala, and today I'm going to be doing a presentation on the structures and functions of the digestive system. The digestive system is where food is broken down into smaller particles so that they can be easily absorbed through the lining of the small intestine into the bloodstream and into the lymphatic system, then transported to the cells of the body for use in cell metabolism. The digestive system is made up of the mouth, where food is chewed by the teeth and moved around by the tongue, which after chewing pushes the food into the pharynx. The pharynx is a cone-shaped cavity approximately 12 centimeters long. It is divided into three: the nasopharynx, the oropharynx, and the laryngeal pharynx. The nasopharynx is found behind the nasal passageways, and it takes care of air circulation in the airways. The oropharynx is behind the mouth, and the tonsils are found on either side of it. The laryngeal pharynx is the part that joins the pharynx with the esophagus. The esophagus is a collapsible muscular tube 25 centimeters in length, and it lies at the back of the trachea and in front of the thoracic vertebrae. It pushes food down into the stomach, and it has a mucous membrane that makes it easy for food to move down the esophagus. It is separated from the stomach by the cardiac sphincter. The cardiac sphincter is a circular ring that relaxes to allow food into the stomach. The stomach is a J-shaped muscular organ located immediately below the diaphragm on the left side of the abdominal cavity. Food comes into the stomach from the esophagus via the cardiac sphincter. It is divided into four: the cardia, the fundus, the body, and the pyloric esophagus via the cardiac sphincter. It is divided into four: the fundus, the body, and the pyloric antrium. The stomach secretes acids and enzymes that digest food. Ridges of muscle tissues called rugae line the stomach. The stomach has three layers of muscles: longitudinal, oblique, circular muscles. They all contract periodically, churning food to enhance digestion. The small intestine is where the digestion of nutrients is completed and absorbed through the lining of the small intestine. It is 6.5 centimeters long and 2.5 centimeters wide. It is divided into three parts: the duodenum, the jejunum, and the ileum. The lining in the small intestine contains finger-like projections called villi. The villi contains microvilli that increase the surface area for absorption of nutrients. At the base of the villi are libicule glands that release intestinal juice, which contains digestive enzymes. Border glands in the submucosal lining produce an alkaline mucus, which neutralizes the acid content transported from the stomach. The nasopharynx, salivary glands, gallbladder, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small and large intestines, liver, pancreas all play vital roles in the process of digestion. Chemical digestion. Chemical digestion is the use of digestive enzymes to break apart the chemical bonds that hold food molecules together. This breaks the food into smaller particles so that eventually the food can be absorbed through the lining of the small intestine. Chemical digestion takes place in the mouth, stomach, small intestine, and large intestine. It does the following. Fats are broken down into fatty acids and monoglycerides. Nucleic acids are broken down into nucleotides. Polysaccharides or carbohydrate sugars break down into monosaccharides. Proteins are broken down into amino acids. Without chemical digestion, the body wouldn't be able to absorb nutrients. This will lead to deficiency in vitamins and also cause malnutrition. Mechanical digestion. Mechanical digestion is the use of the teeth to break down food into smaller particles in the mouth, and the use of muscles in the stomach, small intestine, and large intestine to break down food and move it through the digestive system, and also mix the food with digestive enzymes. Peristalsis is also a part of mechanical digestion. This is the involuntary contractions and relaxations of the muscles of the esophagus, stomach, and intestines to break down food and move it through the digestive system. Mechanical digestion precedes chemical digestion. Now, we'll be discussing two named enzymes, digestive enzymes. There are a lot of digestive enzymes in the body, which two of them we discussed in this presentation. And those two are pepsin and amylase. Pepsin is an enzyme only produced in the stomach, which aids in digestion. Pepsin breaks down proteins into polypeptides. Pepsin is activated by hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid kills bacteria in food that has been ingested, and it also deactivates salivary amylase. Pepsin is active at the acidity of normal gastric content, which is pH 1.0 to pH 4.0, and remains active up to pH 7.0, but remains stable and is not irreversibly inactivated until pH 8.0. Pepsin was discovered in 1836 by Theodore Schwann. Pepsin was derived from the Greek word digestion. Disaccharides, that's maltose. Amylase is an enzyme produced in the mouth and esophagus by the saliva, and also in the small intestine by the pancreas. Amylase acts on starch. Salivary amylase produces maltose, disaccharides, and dextrins. Pancreatic amylase produces glucose, which gives the body energy. Pancreatic amylase completes digestion of carbohydrates. On this part, we're going to be talking about the constituent food groups of a balanced diet and their sources. Diet is the sum total of food eaten by a person normally. Miller J, 2018. This can be affected by one's family, preferred tastes, religion, or economic circumstances. A diet can be either balanced or unbalanced. A diet consists of the right amount of all 5 food groups: minerals, proteins, fats, vitamins, carbohydrates, calories, fluid, and fiber of 5 should comprise which should comprise 50% to 60% carbohydrates, 15 to 20% protein, 25 to 30% fats. Wilchesbaum and Buttress, 2014. Meat, poultry, eggs are some of the foods from group 1. They provide a high source of protein and contain important micronutrients, including zinc and iron. Bread, cereal, and rice are in group 2. They have a high source of carbohydrates and a vital source of energy. Wilchesbaum and Buttress, 2014. Group 3 consists of fruits and vegetables. They provide a high source of vitamins, minerals, water, fiber, and numerous antioxidants. Group 4 consists of milk and dairy products. They provide calcium, protein, vitamin, and minerals. Group 5 consists of junk food containing fat and sugar. They provide empty calories and should be eaten occasionally, like fast food and processed meat. Wilchesbaum and Buttress, 2014. This brings